Hey guys, this is Cyril Cheet, and in this video I'm going to show you ShopFunnels, the all new e-commerce builder from Technic Force that allows you to build your store in just a few clicks. With ShopFunnels, you can sell anything to anyone from anywhere. ShopFunnels is the most powerful e-com builder that you can install on your own domain or even in a subfolder on your Blogger site. It comes with dozens of sales boosting plugins and has inbuilt marketing features like email marketing, abandoned cart reminders, and it integrates with all the leading payment gateways. So let's not wait any longer and take a look at ShopFunnels to see how easy and powerful it is. Once you log into ShopFunnels, you'll be taken right away to the dashboard. I have several stores set up on this site, and you can see the report for all of them at once. You can see the sales, the conversions that you had. You can see the email marketing reports too. On the left side, you have the ShopFunnels navigation menu, which gives you access to all the features of ShopFunnels. Store content lets you modify the stores. The product section lets you add and manage your products. The email marketing section lets you set up campaigns, manage your lists, and take a look at your email marketing. And then below that, we have the plugins. ShopFunnels has a large ecosystem of plugins. Let's take a look. ShopFunnels is based on the same architecture as CloudFunnels and CourseFunnels. This means that all the plugins in our marketplace are available for all three software, including ShopFunnels too. And this is a huge and ever-growing library of plugins just for you. These includes plugins like payment gateways. We have a huge collection already that includes every single prominent payment gateway across many countries of the world. You can use any of them in ShopFunnels. We also have the biggest list of CRMs and autoresponders. Plug in your favorite autoresponder, or if you want to take your data to just about any CRM, we also support Zapier. So you can use Zapier too. Then we have a huge collection of sales boosting plugins. Plugins that help you get reviews. We have a pop-up plugin, discount and gift plugin, spin awards, conversion proof. We even have an exit pop plugin. All of these plugins will save you hundreds of dollars a month. And the best thing is, this library is growing every week because we are listening to our customers and designing new plugins for them to help them sell more online. Setting up your e-com store on ShopFunnels is easy. Just go to the store section on the sidebar. I actually have a number of stores already set up on this website. You can see there are 8 of them, and you can click on any store name to load up the storefront. For example, I have this storefront set up for my testing, and you can see this is how it looks right now. And if you want to edit any store, you can just use the edit button over here. And if you want to create a new store, because like I said, ShopFunnels lets you create multiple stores on one domain. Click on add store and it's gonna let you create an all new store. Let's check out how easy it is to modify the layout of the store by clicking on the edit button. You can modify each and every page of your store, including your storefront, product collections page, product pages, order forms, cart pages, cancellations, confirmation page, registration page, and everything else. You get hundreds of templates to choose from. Just click on the page you want to modify and then click on change template to view all the available templates. And we have many templates in each category. You can modify any template using the ShopFunnels no-code page builder. Use ready-made components, change any image or text and make a page truly your own. You can also bring in your own page design using the import template button, or even clone an online web page and put it in the store by using the clone URL button. Now let's use one of the templates and modify it. To do that, click on the download button to pull the template. Once it's pulled and it's downloaded, you can click on the edit existing page button to modify it. ShopFunnels page builder is very powerful. You can modify anything in the template, change text, change style, add new element from a huge component library that not only gives you standard components like images, headings, buttons, but makes it easy for you to add e-com elements using e-commerce blocks like products, widgets, etc. Modify anything and save your custom page layout in minutes. Not just components, you also get page blocks and even entire sections. Just plug them in and modify them. Next, in the customer section, you can see all the people who bought something at your store. You can sort the things the way you want or make a search. You can even export all the data to CSV. In the media section, you can manage all the images or videos that you've uploaded to your store. These assets are available to you anywhere in your store. Finally, in analytics, you can see important information about who your customers are. Things like what devices they're on, where they're from, information you can really use in your marketing. The products section lets you control and set up all the products on your store. You can see the list of the products that you're already selling. You can add a new product or modify any product by clicking on the edit product details. The products editor lets you modify any detail about the product like the product ID. You can set up a product page design. If you got multiple designs, you can pick the design that you want for this particular product. Set up a title. You can put in any description you want. You can put in multiple images for the product. You can set up the pricing details, set up inventory data, have quantity, and you can decide how many pieces will you let people order. And if it's a physical product, you can mark that, and you can even have product variants. So if it's like a dress, for example, they can be multiple sizes. You can have different prices and quantity and SKUs for every particular size, and all of that data can be easily managed inside of ShopFunnels. In collections, you can create collections of multiple products, group products according to any criteria, and show them on a web page. You can automate collections by using keywords, or you can create collections manually by selecting products. You can also check and control all the inventory of the products you have and modify it as you need. And in sales, you can see the sales that you received for all the products in your store. In abandoned sales, you can see all the people who went to the store, tried to buy a product, but ended up without buying a product. And you can use this to see whether they went and bought it again. And if they did not, you can see the details of that too. Finally, in the cart designer, you can modify the cart icon that appears on every page and the cart widget. You can change anything like the footer, you can control the colors, you can modify any aspect of it. Then we've got the email marketing section where you can create lists of customers and you can have customers added to those lists based on how they interact with your store. You can grab leads from an opt-in page, or you can create lists where customers are added if they purchase a product. And then you can shoot off mails. If you've got ShopFunnels Pro, you can send out mail outs to them and ask them to buy a product. You can send out offers, coupons, whatever you want. In sequences, you've got an autoresponder, so you can send out a sequence of emails to anyone who either signs up to your list, or if they purchase a product, you can send out a sequence, maybe offering them a series of upsells. It's all up to you. In mailing history, you can see the mails that you sent out and the opens, unopens, all the details like that. In SMTPs, you can connect your SMTP service to ShopFunnels to control the mailing, to send the mailing. And then of course you've got all the plugins that you have. All the plugins are completely modifiable. You can set them up, you can activate them or deactivate them, and it will all work depending on the plugin that you've added. Only the plugins that you've installed on the store will be available here. And if you want to install a new plugin, just click on the plugin section and you will see the list of all the plugins that are available on the store. To add a new plugin, click on add new plugin, and then you can either install a plugin by uploading it, or you can go to the marketplace and download the plugin from there. Finally, in the settings section, you can set up your store settings. You can modify how the store behaves, like you can check out the sales, you can set up a 404, you can set up collections and product setup, and you can also set up access for multiple users. If you got a team and you want to allow team members to access your store, you can set up the team member details and you can set up exactly what permissions they have, so they will be able to access only that section. In GDPR, you will be able to define how the site behaves according to the GDPR rules. You can set up cookie consent details. You can set up your cookie consent details. You can ask for data rectification and data access emails also. And here you can see all the requests that were made to you so that you can process it. Finally, in the help section, you can see a variety of tutorials that help you understand how you can use ShopFunnels properly. This was a really short demo to help you see what ShopFunnels can do. You can install ShopFunnels on any domain or hosting in just one click. You can use it on multiple domains or even put it in multiple folders on one domain. ShopFunnels is 100% secure, it's totally under your ownership, and all the data belongs independently to you. That's why it protects you from funnel hacking. No competitor can easily discover you and your niches. It's also the fastest and the most secure funnel builder available. The best thing is it's becoming better each week. We are adding new features and capabilities based on what you ask for. So it's time for you to get on board ShopFunnels. Migrate your store today.